I had to come back, everyone. They don't want to put it online, but I'll try to do my best. See, I didn't want to make you miss this. Look, humans are so lower. See, change in the tree. Oh, my goodness. See that, everyone? Well, no good night, fireman. Something like that. Air pilot, whole suit. You see that, everyone? It's crazy. Wow, no, look at it like that. If I bring it like this, see? And one, I can draw this there. Come on there, it's unbelievable. It's my same tree, see? And it's look like this, usually it's, sometimes it makes like a cross. It's too beautiful too. Look at that, everyone. Sure. I've never seen this on Earth. See how big, double the big reptile that one, right? Bigger than me, that one. Look at the giants, everyone. They move, see? Isn't this crazy, everyone? Look at the eyes pop out. It's unbelievable. Do you see all this, everyone? See, isn't it a tower? And that's what I want to create at my... You have see the building down there, see? Oh, excuse me. It's the maximum. What is that? I think there's nothing in there, everyone there. It's like when we came back from the grocery store there yesterday or before yesterday. When we arrived there, two-step on the two-step I have there, and the door open, and it was locked, real lock there. Look at that. Angel again, see? Told you. When it was like 1,000 of them the other day. I got pictures, but they're far. We can see a color of the hair, things like that there. But the wings are hard. Well, there is some. But, I mean, to see all of them there would have been a lot of work to go through. You see that, everyone? Huh? The hat and everything. No. Unbelievable, everyone. Oh, boy. Should I change our hand name? I don't know what the hell. Look at that.
On peut croire que Dave a un avantage parce qu'il est restant depuis 1 an et demi, mais il ne faut pas oublier que Jersey est cinglé. Ne me fais pas en promis, tu seras fier, je serai fier. Dave ne sait pas ce qu'il fait. Je suis sûr qu'il va foncer dans les murs. Je suis sûr
I don't know, everyone. If you like better music than my voice, well, I just will try and put music. I don't know. See, orbs. It's flashing. Yep. There's that one. Should see their things there. Hey! Lâche-le ça, là. See the big shadows and all that. Oh, well, let's go towards the sun now. Change to. Come on. Still the same, see? Yeah, isn't this crazy, everyone? Look at that change. It's changing in front of us. I seen that the other day. They were changing down in the bottom too. But if we stay there, I don't know, 1 minute you'll see. You'll see that change, and it shows other things too there. Crazy, you saw that? They change. They change it, they change it. It's crazy. See that over there? Yeah, it's unbelievable. It's a huge wolf there too. See? Crazy. Looks like there's some people lived on their end.
Je n'ai jamais conduit ce kart et je ne sais pas comment je vais battre Jersey. Je suis inquiet. Qu'est-ce que j'ai sur la tête? Bon sang.
I see where things are.
C'est une vraie luge, je suis couché. C'est vrai, Rob ne l'a jamais conduit. C'est pas mon kart, l'autre fait des siennes. Ça va aller. Il n'a jamais piloté le kart. Je suis couché dans le kart. Je n'aime pas ça. Je préfère le kart bleu. Il est puissant et la direction répond bien.
Unbelievable, everyone, what we see today. Again. Isn't this crazy? What do you think about that? What do you think about that, everyone? Look at the eyes and the face. See, big, how big it looks. Look at that. Oh, it's too. It's crazy how it's made. Look, the hat there. Unbelievable. Well, I want to leave you on this because it doesn't look, but it's hard. It's real hard on the back. It's real hard on the old man there. Even if I keep giving her with what I see now, is it worth it? I do something. You see the bear and all that? I can show you so many things. It's like those trees there. Whoa. See that? It changed, eh? It's not the same one. Well, I see so many things. See the faces in there. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Whatever, whatever. I should have on this. It's too crazy. He's gonna be like that all night. See? Reptilian with wings. Beef again and things like that, you know. It's, like I say, if I would have a good camera and things like that, TikTok takes only 10 minutes of it. Unbelievable. Huh? It's just science. It's crazy. Oh. Well, those who were laughing at, you laugh less, eh? See? There's a little flying angel everywhere. Well, it's a long time they see someone. Because when it's far, it's hard, eh? Look at that, huh? Like, I'm crazy. Whoa. Oh, it's unbelievable, everyone. Wow. Look at this. And those existed. That's what people don't know. Well, it still exists. Yeah, that's what I was kidding. Yeah, they still exist. I'll see them soon. Right. Hello. It's hard to not move when you get sore like this. There. Oh. The bones, their bone cancer they got. Well, they shoot me 6 weeks. There's some kind of product they call it. I don't remember how they call it. Yeah, right. My cat is trying to pull the screen off of the window. You see this or what? Huh? It's unbelievable. Crazy. What? Even if I sit here all night, you won't stop looking at all kind of things that you never can imagine there. You know, takes a lot of room videos like this. I'll see what I can do. If I can make transfers. Or if someone can save it, because when it's live, after 10 days, like I said, they throw it away, they say, but I don't think so. They keep it for them. Look at the eye over there. Look over there. See how crazy it is, everyone. Oui, ce qu'il y a dedans dans la vie, whisky. Le show aussi, il y a dedans. It's unbelievable, man. Oh. Well, I got medication to take. Oh. If I see the end of the world, well, I'll tell you. If I know how it will end, I can tell you where it lives, eh? See it? Oh yes, I seen too. Civilization of monkey too. Oh, well, monkey. They talking everything. Don't worry. Like they show on TV. What? It's crazy again, huh?
J'ai l'impression que peut-être que je me trompe, que c'est les ancêtres des POG, qui était un jeu des années 90.
Crazy. You saw that in the back over there? The moving there? I don't know. People come back up, huh? I mean, because I see so many. There's a lot going on, you know. Well, I know we're closed, but you see that? How big? It's unbelievable. Wow. I'm no professional, but that. Science. Well, when I get to so. I'll get back before it gets too dark. Just want to rest my back a little, and if I go too far, we won't see much of stuff. So I have to be at a certain distance with the zoom at 2.7, between 2.7, 2.9, and we go ahead with the phone and back up. And you see like this, I guess. Oh, I don't know if it's only my phone that does that. Do you see the king up there with a snake in his arms? Wow. 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 Crazy, everyone, crazy. Come in here. You see this, everyone. The time where you see, where you just look and change places again and again, change. It doesn't stop, it's all out. I'm telling you what, no joke for my bone cancer day. I hope I'll finish my work before I take a safe place for my, at least, try to finish it at least. Oh. You see that? Wow. Je pensais pas qu'ils fabriquaient encore des moulins à grains il y a 20 ans. Ça veut dire qu'ils faisaient encore des moulins comme ça au début des années 80. Well, that guy took a part of the zoom off now. You see that? Well, they have to hope someone will keep it inside. Put it on USB card or something like that. Because I don't think we'll ever see this again, things like that. This should go viral, everyone. This should go viral. No? Don't you think? Or it's real controller unbelievable again. See, there's fair over there. Really bright like that there. Where's their own way? Oh, no, it's alright now. Yeah. Crazy. See? Crazy. People won't believe what happens, see? told you. Okay there. Oh wow, look at them down there. It was so bright there. See, it's crazy. Oh, I don't see the same. I don't see the same with the phone there. You see that? When I get too close. So what's the other dimension again? Everyone, that's unbelievable. I would show you this all night, maybe. Oh wow. It's crazy. I'll come back. Welcome back. Have a good night, everyone. Good evening. I hope you enjoyed this. It was for me, probably. I don't know what they will do. Sure, I'll fight. I don't know. They have their power too there. Oh, come on. Look at this on this side there. I've just seen. With the eye, it's not the same, you know. See, I'm reading a newspaper, I guess. What's on the newspaper? We can't see. Isn't this crazy, everyone? Huh? Look on the other side there. Again. Oh, yes, it's true. It's going to cut too. No battery. It's flashing in red there. Flashing in red in the corner. Well, crazy. Oh, doesn't make no sense or what? Look at that. I'll back up a little bit. Do you see that? Wow. You know what they're doing there, see? The sun's there, see? Oh. Well, let me see. I was looking at the other side. I wasn't seeing the phone move sideways. Everyone is in. It's just unbelievable. All we see there is unimaginable. It's a head, same time doors, castle, things like that. And it's a head with the top of that. Oh, well, everyone, have fun. Have a good weekend. You have a great weekend coming, yeah, and good end awakening. God bless you all, because I get lost into this. I see so many things changing, everyone. It's unbelievable. I wish I couldn't show you all. But, got all things to see, all the people. Told you. Those the crossing of the roads. Oh. You know, my lights are open, and I know on the other side too, it should be like that too. There. Oh. Come on, there's no sense. Everywhere I go, it's all around my place, see? Flying saucer over there doing it. Standing there. Well, not like it's like drones there. See? See a lot of things like that too, but over there. See? It's not true camera either. Look at that. Do you see the black thing on top there? It's unbelievable, everyone, huh? But I got a sore back, Jesus. I tough what I can. If I keep on like that, I won't be able to work. You see that, everyone? You saw the balls going and all that? What, everyone? Have a good night, my God. I got no more. I see so many things in them. I got my back. No, it wasn't a bird. Because we would see it go. It was only those cross there. They flash and they come and they go and bang. Well, when we still the same date. It's Thursday, the 19th, I think. You say they all? No, 21st, I mean. Excuse me, Tuesday, 21st May. 7:16. I hope you enjoyed this again. Because it's it's crazy. With those speakers about there, I'm anxious to try them out with my big fire and well, I don't know if I'll have time to do that or not. C'est voiture? Oui, go. Oui, oui. Oui, oui, oui. Ouais, okay. Vas-y. Okay, no? You want to fight out of the light, no? Comes back. He wants me to go with him, so I won't have no choice over what. He won't go if I don't go with him. Like I told you, he's scared of something. Well, I don't know. If he's scared of that, hey, come on. You see everything, everyone? So this one I showed you in the money too. Same thing. Owns the place where the humans go. Will be crazy. Look at that. It's crazy. Yeah. I tried to go live, they didn't let me. You would be able to talk, eh? Well, that's not me that runs. They're the boss. That's their thing. I do pay for the service, but they're the boss. I see how many they are over there. Do you see this and what they show you there? Look at that. I try to not go too fast.
Moi, je m'attendais à entre 200 et 300, pas plus que 400. J'étais étonné du nombre de personnes intéressées à acheter ce broyeur-là. Ça va compléter la collection parce qu'il va être plus récent. Donc, ça montre une évolution des petits moulins qui étaient dans des boîtes de bois à l'époque.
See what today always gets crazy, everyone. I want to let go, but it's too crazy to not show you. And well, maybe one day in the life, maybe help me out with that because I pay big bills with that. I know what I'm doing. See, told you, was this on there? Come on there, he's there, right there. Well, I don't want to film too much with the phone because it burns the lens. If you don't have the right lens in the front there. Ah, it's crazy. Well, I could have let you see all night and all day, and it was like this all day. And all kinds of things, everyone. All kinds. Hey, whiskey, come on. Have a good night, everyone. Have fun. I agree in a week. God bless you all.